Welcome to the Kansas Truck Routing and Intelligent Permitting System, also known as K-TRIPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for setting up an account to order permits using ktrips.com. This video and other tutorials can be found on the login page via the K-TRIPS user tutorial videos link. To start, we will create a new account. To do so, click the Create a New Account link. This next page will ask if you have a valid USDOT number. For this video, we will select Yes. K-TRIPS will display two fields, one asking for your USDOT number and the other for your tax identification number to confirm that you are the owner of that USDOT number. Once the information has been entered, click Validate Numbers to check against USDOT data. If they match, you'll get a pop-up asking you to verify the information presented. If the number does not validate, double-check the number for accuracy. If the system notifies you that the account already exists, you will need to call the permit office for further instructions. Click OK to close the pop-up box, verify the information, and click Create Account to proceed. On the next page, K-TRIPS will automatically populate all the information associated to the USDOT number entered. Any field with an asterisk will need to be completed before clicking Submit. If your physical address and mailing address are the same, just click the Same as Physical link, and K-TRIPS will copy the address information. If the information is not the same, fill in the fields accordingly. Make sure you've selected your primary delivery method. The options available are by fax, by web, or by email. This can be changed on a permit-by-permit basis. Please note that you can also print any active permits directly from your dashboard. Select a username and enter a password. Please make note of the password requirements, which can be viewed by clicking the Password Requirements link. The password must be at least 8 characters in length, must have at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter, and must have at least one number. Note that filling in the prompt question and response fields will allow you to recover your password later if you forget it. Once you've filled out every field with an asterisk, click Submit to continue. This will take you to the Create New Company Account terminal screen. You can click Next Page to proceed and add your terminals later, or if you wish to add one now, just click New. The terminal information screen will open. Again, all fields with an asterisk must be completed before inserting a new terminal. Once the information has been entered, click Insert to continue. Once you've clicked Insert, the new terminal will be added to the drop-down list, where you can either edit or click New to add another terminal. From here, we'll click Next Page to advance. This will bring you to the Create New Company Account Users screen, where you can add extra users or edit the users you already have. The original user that set up the account will already be listed here in the drop-down list. Click Edit to edit the user listed, or click New to add a new user. From here, you can also set the user type. The two levels are Supervisor or User. The Supervisor level can edit company information and other users. A user account can only issue permits. The user who created the account will be defaulted to a supervisor user. All company accounts must have at least one supervisor user. Unless the user will have a very specific known start and end date, leave these fields blank. Otherwise, set the start and end date if you need the account to expire at some point. Once the information has been entered to your satisfaction, click Update to save. After all users have been edited or added, click Next Page to advance to the Create New Company Account Vehicles screen. In K-TRIPS, there are 4 ways to add vehicles. You can add them individually while creating your new account, which will be shown here. You can add them on permits as you issue them, or if adding several vehicles at the same time, you can upload a vehicle spreadsheet using the Vehicle Upload section, which is shown in another video located on the login page. You can also add them individually in company data. To add a vehicle, you just need to click the New button. K-TRIPS will bring up the vehicle information screen. From here, you'll need to enter your unit number, select the vehicle type, enter the make, the year, the VIN, the plate, the state in which the vehicle is registered, and the Kansas registered GVW. Once you've entered all the information, click Insert to save. Clicking Insert will add the vehicle to the drop-down list where you can edit a vehicle or click New to add more. From here, you're given the option to go to the login page by clicking the Go to Login Now button, or set up an escrow account by clicking the Set Up Escrow Account button, which will take you to the Attest to Create New Escrow Account screen. There's a separate video on the login page for escrow accounts. Right now, we will just log in. Clicking Go to Login Now will bring you back to the login page, where you will need to enter your username and your password. Click the Remember Me on this computer checkbox in order for the system to remember your username. Once the information has been entered, click Submit to go to the company dashboard. This is your main point of contact for all K-Trips transactions. Welcome to K-Trips. Thanks for watching. This concludes the K-Trips user tutorial video on how to create a new company account. Don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.